I have been loving Ohora semi-cured gel nails for a while now, since they gifted me my first set. What I love most about these nails is that they act like actual gel nails. They're super, super strong, super durable, and if you apply them correctly, they last so long. But the key piece is when you want to remove these, just use Ahora's Easy Peel Remover. They come off in seconds and they don't damage my nails at all. And I started using these when my nails were super, super damaged from removing actual gel nail polish. And after these, I will never go back. It is such a wonderful experience. There's no smell, it's super clean, and they look so good. So I was thrilled when they gifted me their semi-cured gel nail strips for your toenails. Now these are the pea chili red, and you apply them just as you apply the stickers to the fingers, which really is just cleaning the nail as well as you can. Use their wipes, which is rubbing alcohol. Make sure there isn't any oil in the nails. Put on those stickers, stick it under an LED lamp, and then they'll be hardened stickers that are fully adhered to your nails, and then trim how you like. Something about the toenails in particular is exceptionally rewarding. They look so good, and I love that because these are so easy to apply and so easy to remove and don't cause any damage, I can swap out my nail polish much faster and cleaner. So if I wanted to dress up for a certain event, or if I wanted to change things maybe more than once a week, you could do that very easily with Ohora. If you are looking to level up your toenails, maybe it's summer, maybe you're going to an event, you are going to love Ahora's semi-cured gel nail stickers for your toes.